Hello, second grade families. I wanted to make a quick video to show you something on your child's Launchpad that I think might help with math homework at night. So, we often get parent emails saying, I don't understand this, I don't know how to teach my child it. And it's very common because I know that even though we don't have Common Core anymore, the the shift in math is different from when we were children and learning math. So sometimes it's just a little confusing and you just need a little bit extra help to get your child there. So if your child gets on Launchpad or you get on their Launchpad, they have this app that my mouse has hovered over. It says BPS McGraw Hill Connect Ed, and this is our math curriculum app. So if you click on that app, it will bring up two choices. It will say Redbird on one side and then the Florida Reveal Math Grade 2. So we want to click on the Reveal Math Grade 2, which is the dragonfly here. So I'm going to click on that. And then it will bring you to this home page. So if I ever assign any digital work for students in class, they'll go through this same way and they'll do it here. So I can assign things. So it would be under the to do. They would have an assignment. And they can actually take tests on here. They can take their exit tickets on here. But in second grade, we still do all of that on pencil paper. But if you go over to the left side, right now we're on the home tab. If I click on the lessons tab, this will come up. And right now I'm on lesson 5-1 because I'd previously been there. But if you click on table of contents and scroll, this is what you'll first see when you get there, the course overview. So you would just scroll down and you'll see every unit. So we have 13 units throughout the year. So for example, if I click on unit 5, because that's what we're currently on, and say I click on 5-2, then it will come up with lesson 5-2, and we have lesson resources and practice and reflect. I don't think anybody needs the Spanish edition, but if you did, it is there as well. So under lesson resources, when you click that drop down arrow, it's going to give you the student edition. So this is the book that the kids do in class. So you'll be able to see this is something we do every day, the Be Curious, where we look at a picture and what do we notice, what do we see, what do we wonder, and we try and relate it back to the math skill that we're learning that day. And then you can see this is like our problem of the day. So we work together to teach the skill by solving this problem. So yesterday was doubles and near double. So a double plus 1 or a double plus 2. So you can see this is kind of how we taught it. We do a problem together every day, the work together problem. And then the next page will be on my own. So these are the pages that the children completed in class on their own or with help from us. So they're doing it independently, but if they need help, we're obviously helping them through it. And then this gets checked before students move on to their exit ticket. And those exit tickets are the ones that you see coming home. So that's the first thing you can look at just to see what did they do today, maybe refresh my skills. And then this learn section is really going to help you see kind of how we taught it. So if I X out of that, and then I'm going to put that menu back up for the lesson resources because I want to show you the practice and reflect section. So if I click that drop down box, this is the math replay video. And so this is a very short, usually under 2-minute video, and it's going to walk you through that problem of the day that we talked about in class and help talk about how to solve it. So this is the one that's really important and I think will help if you're just like, I don't know how to teach this, especially like sometimes with decomposing and just some like open number line, harder skills that we might not be familiar with. This is a great tool to kind of reteach yourself so that you can help your child with homework. And if you understand it, but maybe your child's not getting it, they might want to watch the video to help them kind of reinforce those skills that we talked about at home or in school. So I'm going to press play, but I'm not going to show the whole video. I just want to show you a snippet of what it would be like. More stress. Okay, I'm going to pause it right there. So you can see it's going to walk you through that problem, going to teach you how we talked about it today, especially with like this lesson, especially the decomposing is a little bit confusing sometimes, and especially when you are an adult and you can do this fluently in your head, then you just know it. Whereas sometimes in second grade, they're not quite there yet. So that's why we have these strategies to help them get there to be fluent. So I'm going to X out of the video. And that should be all that you can really see on here, which is all you really need to see, what we did in class, the video, and then, like I said, the exit tickets come home every day. So if you don't know what lesson we're on, so that you can check on the table of contents, it is always on the exit ticket. It is also always at the top of your child's homework. So it will tell you what lesson we did that day and that they're practicing so that you can go on here and find it. So if you have any other questions, please contact your child's teacher and we will be more than happy to help you. Thank you.